What is going on? Welcome to the channel. Alright, special video of V12 drive. We got Bella in the car, and let's see, we got to do a series of U-turns actually, or just one U-turn. And this is going to be an interesting right turn onto the highway. The car is going to have to accelerate really fast as soon as it makes the right, so it's going to be an interesting turn. Let's see. Alright, here we go. Oh wow, and for some reason it decides to just go straight through into the Royal Farms. Why did it do that? That was really odd. Interesting. So it saw that maybe this was a better option for a U-turn. Wow, I'm stunned that it decided to do that. Why did it do that? That is unbelievable. So now it's gonna go around this way. This is a better option for a U-turn. Wow, it's so cool that V12 figured that out. I can't believe it figured that out by itself. This is like a really challenging parking lot here. That's so crazy that it did that. Wow, V12 is awesome. Alright, here we go. Now it's got to make a left onto the highway, and tons of cars are coming right now at me, so it needs to, like, this is a serious, like, left turn right here onto the highway. And here, it should probably just go now. No, and it doesn't. So this is a really interesting job for FSD to do here, and maybe it should go after this car. Oh yeah, this is a tough one for the AI to figure out, but let's see if it does it here. Oh, and it does. It did it. Oh my gosh, it figured it out and did it beautifully. Wow, what a great job getting onto the seat. That's a difficult turn for people, you know, like, you gotta keep in mind for the cars coming, and look how it just switched lanes last second. Didn't even use a turn signal right there. That's kind of interesting that it did that. But it did its thing. Alright, so we got another U-turn coming up in this video. Wow, I'm just amazed with V12 so far. This is just unbelievable the way it's driving. It's doing its thing. It's like, okay, no, we don't want to go left there. Alright, I'm glad it figured itself out, because we do want to make a left at the light coming up. Oh my god, we got a flashing yellow, flashing red situation over here. This is going to be so interesting. Alright, because we actually got to make a U-turn at this light with a flashing red. So I wonder what FSD is going to do. This is so much going on. So, alright, so a flashing red light means you got to treat it as a stop sign. Alright, so you got to come to a full, complete stop no matter what. So then we got to figure out how to make a U-turn here with all these cars coming. So now this is about to be a super difficult maneuver, but I'm gonna kind of assist it a little bit and try to figure out when is a good time to do this. Oh wow, because the other cars are not stopping at all, so it looks like I'm gonna have to take over here, because this is a tough situation. Maybe I can re-engage right back there. There we go. There we go. There we go. Alright, so maybe if I didn't take over, it would have figured that out completely. Gosh. Alright, so I kind of just did what I thought was right there, but anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was amazing. FSD has got a brain of its own. This is unbelievable to watch. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more. I've got some epic videos coming your way. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.